Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to view or know your laptop model name in Windows 10 using PowerShell. For this, click on this one start button, type here PowerShell. In the search results, right click on this one PowerShell entry, select Run as Administrator, click Yes in case Windows prompts. In the PowerShell window, you need to copy and paste this one command that you can find in this video description. Just copy and paste this one command and press enter on the keyboard and you will see your laptop model number in the output. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.